So as we all know, the stock market is down. It's in what's called a bear market. Bear means down, bull means up. Usually they call it a bear when it's 20% down or more. So we know this. What do? Well, let's presuppose that investors didn't do something foolish like put all their assets into some of the more speculative stocks and gambled. And let's suppose you've got your asset allocation, your mix is well tended. There are some specific things that we should be doing in bear markets. Probably 25 years ago, I wrote down some rules for myself. I thought maybe it would be interesting if I shared them with everybody today. They're in their unaltered version, which they really weren't meant for client viewing. So I was a little bit more harsh. So I apologize for that in advance. Bear rule number 1, hoping or pretending that a bear market won't show up is foolish. They're going to be with us every few years. So you either have to deal with it or don't invest. Yes, that sounds a little bit harsh, but it is the reality. I've been doing this for 35 years, and every once in a while we'll have a 25% hit, sometimes a 35% hit. Twice in my career I've seen the market drop 50%. So we have to expect that going in. We always tell our clients, look at your portfolio and imagine that half of your stock portfolio goes away. That's a 50% hit. If you can't do that, then if you can't handle that, I should say, then you should have less money in stock. But you have to expect these problems. And when these problems hit, you also have to expect that the media is not going to hold your hand. The media is going to be preaching Armageddon. Oh, this is going to get way worse. They'll bring on interesting but scary experts that have maybe a negative opinion of the markets. Sometimes they're going to be right. Sometimes the market is going to go down. But it doesn't help because you can't tell just based on that, because every time the market drops, the media is going to be trying to exacerbate it just for ratings. So it's really par for the course. And when I say, we have to deal with it or don't invest, that's not really an option, because over time, the stock market's been one of the best places to grow wealth. Next, I'll talk a little bit about bear rule number 2.